Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that a function is given by a table of values, a graph, a formula, or a verbal description, and we're asked to determine whether it is one-to-one. So when we're looking at the graph of a function, we determine whether it's one-to-one using the horizontal line test, which states that for any horizontal line placed through the function, you will only have one intersection point. And we can see that this looks like it might be true, but if we're really careful and make sure it's parallel to the x-axis, we can see that we can in fact make a line which intersects the function twice. Because of this slight hump right here where it goes back down again, you hit two different points. Therefore, for more than one x value, here and here, the function has the same y value, and therefore it is not a one-to-one function.